Got to talk about this truck a little bit. Obviously, it's a 2021 TRD Pro in the magnetic gray metallic. Super great. I mean, the color is amazing. The sparkle in the paint, it's super cool. But that's not really the reason why I want to talk about this truck. Is the gentleman that owns this truck lives up in Seattle, Washington, and he found us online and he made arrangements to buy a truck down here at a dealership, fly down here because they wanted him to come down to the dealership and sign his paper in person because he was from out of state, sign his paperwork in person, got in the car at the dealership, drove from the dealership over to our shop, dropped it off with us. We installed our TRD Pro lift kit in it, our Westcott Design rock sliders in it, and then obviously I know we talk about our TRD Pro lift kit and the quality of it and that it looks factory, and it's right here. It does. It truly looks like it came from the factory this way, and it rides better than it came from the factory and improves all the problems that the truck has with the dipping in the front and the side-to-side body roll. And I tell people, and I can't emphasize enough on how much the suspension works so much better on this truck once our kit's installed in it. And then people say, hey, why wasn't this done from the factory this way? Or it rides better than it did from the factory. But anyways, I just wanted to share this with you. Truck's awesome. We appreciate customers, their loyalty and dedication, and believing that what we make is good stuff. And obviously our rock sliders look great with the magnetic gray and the black. And then, you know, even the ladder on the back of it, it looks awesome. It works really good with the factory roof rack. It is super close when it's up. You can kind of see it goes up, and it does work with the factory roof rack. But when it's all the way up, it's close, but it's not hitting it. There is some space there, but it's close. So if people say, oh, does your ladder work with the factory roof rack on the Pro? Yes, it does. It works great. So here is a 2021 TRD Pro 4Runner with our stuff. So thanks again for watching our video.